receiving emails. Don't worry. This is a very common issue, and in this video I will show you step by step how to fix it quickly. First, open the Gmail app and pull down to refresh your inbox. Sometimes emails are delayed, so always start by refreshing. Next, tap on the three lines in the top corner and check the spam folder. Many times emails are automatically filtered as spam, especially verification codes and promotional emails. After that, go back to the menu and tap on All Mail. This shows every email linked to your account, even if it's not in your main inbox. If you still don't see new emails, we need to check your account sync settings. Go to Settings on your phone. Tap on Accounts. Tap on Google. Select your Gmail account. Tap on Account Sync. Make sure Gmail Sync is turned on. If it's disabled, enable it and wait a few seconds. Now go back. Next, we will clear the Gmail app cache. Go to Settings. Tap on Apps. Find Gmail and open it. Tap on Storage. Tap on Clear Cache. Do not clear data, only clear the cache. Now go back and find Google Play Services. Open it. Tap on Storage. Tap on Clear Cache. This helps fix background sync issues. Next, check if Battery Saver mode is enabled. Go to Settings. Tap on Battery. If Battery Saver is on, turn it off. You can also go to Apps, open Gmail, tap on Battery, and make sure background activity is allowed. Finally, go to Date and Time settings. Make sure Automatic Date and Time is enabled. Incorrect time settings can stop emails from syncing properly. After completing these steps, restart your phone and open Gmail again. Your emails should now start appearing normally. If this fix did not work, comment your phone model below and I will help you.